In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu on Wix. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor so you can work directly on the page layout and navigation. Once you are inside the editor, look to the top left area of the screen and click the Add Elements icon, shown as a plus sign. This is where Wix keeps the building blocks for your site, including menus and anchors. From the Add Elements panel, select Menu and Anchor. You will now see several menu options, and the one you choose should match the kind of site layout you want. For example, a horizontal menu is usually best for desktop-style headers. A vertical menu works well in sidebars. And an in-page menu is especially useful for single-page websites where visitors scroll to different sections. After choosing your preferred menu type, click and drag it into position on your page. A helpful tip here is to place the menu inside your header. When you do that, Wix automatically keeps it visible across all pages that use that header, which makes your navigation feel consistent and professional. Once the menu is on your canvas, Wix will automatically link it to your existing pages. That gives you a quick starting point, but you can easily control what appears in the menu. Click the menu element, then choose Manage Menu. In this panel, you can drag and drop items to reorder them however you like. This is useful for putting your most important pages first and creating a clearer path for visitors. If you want to create a drop-down menu, drag a page slightly to the right and place it directly underneath a parent page. Wix will turn it into a sub-menu item. This is a great way to keep your navigation organized without overcrowding the main menu. If you need to include more destinations, click Add Menu Item at the bottom of the panel to add new pages or external links. To refine the appearance, select the menu and click the design icon, which looks like a paintbrush. Then choose Custom Design to change things like fonts, colors, and borders. You can also adjust how the menu looks in different states, including regular, hover, and current page, which helps users understand where they are on the site. Next, click the layout icon to fine-tune alignment, padding, and spacing. These small adjustments can make a big difference in readability and overall polish. Take a moment to review your menu, test the drop-downs, and make sure everything is easy to navigate. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.